Hi everyone. Hope you are good. We are here for grade 9 math. You can find 20 lessons on Englishstudents.com. There you can find you have to log in there using your email address and password as well as the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 9 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of chapters. We can start with the chapter linear functions. The lessons we can cover today are linear function, solve for y, write linear function to solve both problems, write equation in standard form, compare linear function graph table and equations. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and the things on there as well. There are one way in that, which are given right now is linear function. Let's just start with the lesson that is linear equations solved for y. Rewrite the following equation in a slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form of the a linear equation is y equals mx plus b. So we need to isolate the y, right? So 1 by 10 times x is 1 by 10x, and then by 10 times 10 is 1. Now move 5 others equals 1 by 10x minus 4. Let's just start with the first question. Y plus 5 equals 1 by 10 times x plus 10. That is 1 by 10, 1 by 10 times x is 1 by 10x, and 1 by 10 times 10 is 1. So y equals 1 by 10x, 1 minus 5 is negative 4. So option number 2 is the correct option. That is 1 by 10x minus. Option number 2 is the correct option. Y equals 1 by 10x minus 4. We can the following equation in slope intercept form. Y minus 1 is 5x minus 5. Y equals 5x minus 5 plus 1. So that is 5x minus 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is y equals 5x minus 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Y minus 6 equals 10 times x plus 4. That is y minus 6 equals 10x plus 40. We need to add 6 other side. 10x plus 40 plus 6. That is 10x plus 36. That is y equals 10x plus 46. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is y equals 5x plus 32. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me change from the next lesson. The next lesson is linear equation, linear functions to solve your problems. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, let's just start with the first questions. Kid already has two flowers in his garden, and he can also grow two flowers with every seed packet he uses. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the number of seed packets S and the total number of flowers. That is Y equals you already have two flowers in the garden, right? And with every seed pack we can grow two flowers. So F equals 2S plus 2S is the seed packet. And 2 is the flowers that already have in his garden. And the 2 is the one that every flowers that these are the flowers that with every seed packet he uses. So option number 2 is the correct option, that is F equals 2S plus 2. Average restaurant party costs retirement party costs $2 for every guest in the world. What is the maximum number of the guests there can be in David can afford to spend a total of $8 on his retirement party? Right, and solve an equation to find the answer. So you have $8, right? And for every guest, the amount is $2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So option number 1 is the correct option. That is Ransom set is worth 2 seconds behind, and it falls behind another 1 second every day. Write in question that shows the relation between the days since what was last D and the second. So this so the equation is S equals D plus 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Arjun has already cycled 1 kilometer this year, plus he plans to cycle 1 kilometer during each trip to work. How many trips will Arjun have to make to cycle a total of 10 kilometers? Right, and solve an equation to find the answer. So, which is the correct option? That is 12 option, otherwise the correct option. Oh, nine it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. Let me just normalize myself. Rewrite the following equation in standard form. So the standard form of the equation is ax plus by equals. So y equals 5x minus 9 will then multiply the equation with 10. right? So that would be 10y equals 50x minus 9. Then you need to rewrite the equation that is 50x minus 10y equals 9. Let's just start with the test questions. Rewrite the following equation in standard form. Y equals negative 4 by 5x minus 5. Let's just multiply the equation with 5. That is 5y equals negative 4x minus 45. So that is 4x plus 5y equals negative 45. Option number one is the correct option. Rewrite the following equation in standard form. That is 7x plus y equals negative 2. Option number two is the correct option. 7x plus y equals negative 2. Rewrite the following equation in standard form. That is y plus 10x equals 1. Option number one is the correct option. Rewrite the following equation in standard form, which is the correct option. That is 8x plus y equals 1. Option number one is the correct option. Rewrite the following equation in standard form. That is 7x minus y equals to option number 2 is the correct option. That is 10x plus y equals negative 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move into the lesson. The next lesson is compare linear functions, tables, and equations. Function A and function B are linear functions. Which statement is true? So the slope of function A is mm, B, and the slope of function B is 2. So option number, the correct option is the slope of function A is greater than slope of function B. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Function A and function B are linear functions. Which statement is true? The slope of function A is 5. And the slope of function B is slope of function B is 4. And the slope of function A is 5. So the statement option number 1 is the correct option. That is the slope of function A is greater than the slope of function B. So option number A is the correct option. So the slope of function A is 4 and the slope of function B is 2. So that means again the slope of function A is equal to slope of function B. Option number A is the correct option. The slope of function A is 2 and the slope of function B is slope of function A is less than slope of function B. Option number B is the correct option. Slope of function A is less than slope of function B. Option number B is the correct option. The slope of function A is greater than slope of function B. Option number A is the correct option. Slope of function A is less than slope of function B. Option number B is the correct option. The slope of function A is greater than slope of function B. Option A is the correct option. Slope of function is 4. Slope of function is less than slope of function B. Option number B is the correct option. So you can complete the lesson by yourself every day. So we were working on grade 9 math. Chapter we were working on is linear functions. The lessons we have covered today are linear equations solved for y, write linear function to solve word problems, write linear equation in standard form, compare linear functions, graph tables, and equations. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. The tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions?